Want to know how to add some starter content templates for your website? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your WordPress.com and make sure you are under your WP admin or your site admin. Now, once you're there, head towards pages right here. And now once you're under pages, just simply scroll down until you see sample page. So just simply select sample page. Now, once you're under your page editor, just simply select this block header on the top left side right here. So now once you've selected this block editor or block header, here you can just simply select patterns right here. And after a while, your patterns should load up. So now right here, you can see starter content. So you can just simply select starter content right here. And after that is done, various templates should pop. So you can just simply select any one of these. So these looks super cool. So you can just simply select any one of these right here. You can just simply drag and drop it to the site. And here you can see you can just simply edit it as you want. The text is editable, and so is the pictures and much more. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily add starter content. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.